Exercise 1.3. First question. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols subset or not subset in the blank spaces. All the elements of first set are present in second set, so it is a subset. Here A is present in first set, which is not present in second set. So first set is not a subset of second set. X is a student of class 11 of your school and X is student of your school. So it is definitely a subset. X is a circle in the plane and X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. This is not a subset. X is a triangle in a plane. X is a rectangle in the plane. This is not a subset. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane. X is a triangle in the same plane. This is a subset. X is an even natural number. X is an integer. This is a subset. Next question. Examine whether the following statements are true or false. All the elements of first set are present in second set. So first set is a subset of second set. Hence this statement is false. X is a vowel in English alphabet. Since all the elements of first set are vowels, it is a subset. Hence the statement is true. Here 2 is an element of first set, which is not an element of second set. Hence it is not a subset. So the statement is false. All the elements of first set are present in second set. So first set is a subset of second set. Hence the statement is true. A is element of set A, B, C, but set A is not an element of set A, B, C. Hence the statement is false. X is an even natural number less than 6. So the elements of this set are 2 and 4. Second set is X is a natural number which divides 36. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So the elements of first set are present in second set. Hence first set is a subset of second set. So the statement is true. Which of the following statements are incorrect and why? Here set 3, 4 is an element of set A, not a subset. Hence this statement is false. Set 3, 4 is element of set A. This statement is true. Set of set 3, 4 is subset of A. This statement is true. 1 is element of A. Element 1 is present in set A. Hence the statement is true. 1 is subset of A. 1 is element of A, not a subset. Hence this statement is false. Set 1 to 5 is subset of A. Since all the elements are present in set A, it is a subset. Hence the statement is true. 1, 2 and 5 are elements of set A, but set 1 to 5 is not an element of set A. Hence the statement is false. Here 3 is an element, but 3 is not an element of set A. Hence this statement is false. 5 is not an element of A. hence the statement is false. Null set is subset of A. Since null set is subset of every set, this statement is true. 5 is not present in set A. Hence, first set is not a subset of set A. So the statement is false. Next question. Write down all the subsets of the following sets. Set with element A. Subsets are null set and set with element A. Set with element A and B. Subsets are null set A, B and AB. Set 1, 2, 3. Subsets are null set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Null set. The only possible subset is null set. Next question. How many elements has P of A if A equal to null set? If number of elements of set A equal to m, then number of elements of P of A will be equal to 2 power m. Here A is null set, so number of elements of set A is equal to 0. So the number of elements of P of A will be 2 power 0, which is equal to 1. Next question. Write the following as intervals. The interval is from -4 to 6. Since x is greater than -4, -4 is not included, which means open interval represented by curved brace, and x is less than or equal to 6. So 6 must be included, which means closed interval represented by square brace. The interval is -12 to -10. Since x is greater than -12, -12 is not included, so we use curved brace, and x is less than -10, -10 is not included, so we use curved brace. X is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 7. So the interval is 0 to 7. Since x is greater than or equal to 0, 0 must be included, represented by square brace. X is less than 7, 7 is not included, represented by curved brace. X is greater than or equal to 3 and less than or equal to 4. So the interval is 3 to 4. Since x is greater than or equal to 3, 3 must be included, represented by square brace, and x is less than or equal to 4, 4 must be included, represented by square brace. Next question. Write the following intervals in set builder form. Let us consider x as variable, where x belongs to real numbers and x is greater than -3 and less than 0. 6 to 12, and it is a closed interval. So the set builder form is x where x belongs to real numbers and x is greater than or equal to 6 and less than or equal to 12. Here we have one open interval and one closed interval. So the set builder form is x where x belongs to real numbers and x is greater than 6, less than or equal to 12. In this we have one closed interval, one open interval. So the set builder form is x, where x belongs to real numbers and x is greater than or equal to minus 23, less than 5. What universal sets would you propose for each of the following? The set of right triangles. The universal sets could be set of triangles, set of polygons, set of two-dimensional figures. The set of isosceles triangles. The universal sets could be set of triangles, set of polygons, set of two-dimensional figures. Given the sets A, B, C, which of the following may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B, C? Let us consider this set as U. If we compare set A with universal set, all the elements of set A are present in set U. Hence, A is subset of U. Next, compare set B with U. All the elements of set B are present in set U. Hence, B is subset of U. If we compare C and U, 8 is element of C, which is not an element of set U. Hence, C is not a subset of U. So, this set is not an universal set for all three sets A, B, C. Next set is null set. Let us consider this as set U. If we compare A, B, C with this set, the elements of set A, B, C are not present in this set. Hence, A is not a subset of U, B is not a subset of U, also C is not a subset of U. Hence, this is not an universal set. Let us consider this set as U and compare A, B, C with this set. All the elements of set A are present in set U. Hence, A is subset of U. All the elements of set B are present in set U. Hence, B is subset of U. And all the elements of set C are present in set U. Hence, C is also subset of U. So, this set is an universal set. Let us consider this set as U. All the elements of set A are present in set U. Hence, A is subset of U. All the elements of set B are present in set U. Hence, B is subset of U. If we compare C with U, 0 is an element of set C, which is not an element of set U. So, C is not a subset of U. So, U is not an universal set.